how are you? Now in the first chapter, that is in the chemical energetic, we are going to study the thermodynamics. Already we know the concept of the thermodynamics. So what is meant by thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is that is the branch of science that deals with the study of heat and other form of the energy. So it is the study of heat and other form of the energy, and we know very well known that whatever the forms of the energy, it available in the various form. So energy is available in the various form, that is the chemical energy, electrical energy, thermal energy, heat energy, etc., etc. Now here we know that one form of the energy can be converted to the another form of the energy. So here chemical energy we can convert it to the electrical energy. Again we can convert the thermal energy into the electrical energy. That is or we can convert the electrical energy into the heat energy. So one form of the energy can be converted to the another form of the energy. So what is the example where is the chemical energy is converted to the electrical energy? Here we know that lead storage battery, is it? So lead storage battery is the example where there is a chemical is converted to the electrical energy. So chemical energy is converted to the electrical energy. We know that thermal energy can be converted to the electrical energy. Here example, do you know? See, thermal power station. So in the thermal power station where there is a thermal energy can be converted to the electrical energy. So thermal power station where there is a conversion of thermal energy into the electrical energy. Another heat energy can be converted to the electrical energy, okay, or electrical energy can be converted to the heat energy. Example, we know that lamp, when we are lighting the lamp, here electrical energy can be converted to the heat energy. So one form of the energy can be converted to the another form of the energy. Now so what is mean by chemical thermodynamics? See, it is the chemical thermodynamics, that is it still depends on the chemistry. So it is the branch of chemistry that deals with the study of interconversion of thermal energy into the mechanical energy. So I am going to repeat it once again. It is the branch of chemistry that deals with the interconversion of thermal energy into the mechanical energy. Now whenever we are studying the thermodynamics, here we are using the three main concepts: system, surrounding and universe. What is universe? Everything about it is present around us, that is the universal. Okay, so in the universe it is a combination of the system plus surrounding. So universe is nothing but the system plus surrounding. So again question arises, what is meant by surrounding, is it? So surrounding, that is the except system, whatever it is there, that is the surrounding. Again the question arises, what is meant by system? So part of the universe which we have taken for the thermodynamic study, that is the system. So part of universe which is taken for thermodynamical study, it is the nothing but our system. So what is the example for the system? Any reaction vessel which we are doing thermodynamics study, it will be the acts as a system. Suppose we are having a reaction vessel, okay, so for example here reaction vessel, suppose we are doing our reaction in a beaker, okay, so at that time that our beaker will act as a system. So beaker will be our system, okay, and except bigger, everything around us, that is it will be the surrounding. So outside it will be the surrounding, and the what is meant by universe? System plus surrounding. Okay, everything whole, it will be the our universe. So this whole will be the our universe. So it is very easy to remember what is mean by system, what is mean by surrounding, and what is mean by universe. Okay, here whenever we are studying the system, here major there will be the three types. Okay, first will be the open system, second will be the closed system, and third will be the isolated system. So here whenever we are moving towards the open system, here open system means what? It exchanges both heat and matter, with surrounding. Okay, so we will simplify this concept. Okay, what is mean by open system? Suppose we are having a cup with a hot tea. Okay, suppose this is the cup which is having a hot tea inside it. Okay, if we are keeping this hot cup of tea, okay, onto the table for some time, what will happen? Okay, water vapor will go outside. So there is an exchange of matter takes place. Okay, again one thing we have observed that after some times, without applying any force, the hot tea become a cold one. So it is indicates there is a exchange of both, or we can say simplify, it is the transfer of both heat and matter with the surrounding whenever we are considering the open system. In the closed system, here there is an exchange of only, okay, or here we can say transfer of only heat. Okay, so heat energy is transferred to the surrounding, no matter. Okay, so no matter is transferred to the surrounding. Suppose for example we are having again cup of tea. Okay, hot tea inside that one cup. Okay, now we are keeping lid on it. Okay, suppose we are having this lid. Okay, so this lid onto that cup one. Okay, it is now covered. Okay, so whatever water vapors, okay, inside that cup, it will not go outside. Okay, so there will be no exchange of matter, but after some time the hot tea become a cold one. Okay, so there is a exchange of heat takes place. So there is a transfer of heat takes place. Okay, so this is the example of a closed system. Now third one is the isolated system. Now in the isolated system, there is no exchange of matter, there is no exchange of heat also, no exchange of heat and matter. Okay, for example thermos flask. Okay, thermos flask. Okay, suppose we are having this thermos flask. Okay, inside it we have kept our tea. Okay, so the tea became remains, okay, hot for much more time. Okay, so this is the example of the isolated system. So we will revise whatever concept we have studied here. Thermodynamics, that is it is the branch of chemistry, branch of science that deals with the study of heat and other form of the energy. Okay, here the one form of the energy can be converted to the another form of the energy. So chemical energy can be converted to the electrical energy can be converted to the heat energy, and so on. Here the chemical thermodynamics, it is the branch of chemistry that deals with the study of conversion of thermal energy into the mechanical energy. In the thermodynamics, we are mainly uses the three main concepts, that is system, surrounding and our universe. Suppose we are having a reaction vessel, okay, so where we are doing a study, okay, thermodynamic study. So that reaction vessel will act as a system, okay, and everything around that beaker, it will be act as the surrounding, and the universe is nothing but the combination of a system and the surrounding. Again, the system is of three types: open system, closed system and isolated system. Okay, suppose we are having a hot cup of tea, okay, and here it is open one, okay, there is exchange of both matter and energy, okay, that is heat and matter takes place. Okay, in the closed system there is only exchange of our heat, okay, so there is a transfer of only heat, there is no transfer of the matter. Okay, suppose we are having hot cup of tea and we are covering it with the help of a lid, okay, that acts as a closed system, and thermos flask is the example of the isolated system where there is no exchange of heat and matter takes place. So this is about our today's lecture.